The College of Tropical Agriculture and Human Resources is home to 9 diverse undergraduate majors. The Tropical Agriculture and the Environment undergraduate program provides students with hands-on knowledge of the sciences and technologies related to plant, soil, and pest management in agricultural, urban, and natural environments, focusing on the tropics. Since hands-on learning is key in the agricultural sciences, students attend classes that utilize the Pope Greenhouse and the Magoon Greenhouse Facilities, located in the heart of Manoa Valley.
The Magoon Greenhouse Facility houses the Orchid and Anthurium breeding program, one of the few publicly funded flower breeding programs in the United States. Established in 1950 by Dr. Haruyuki Kamimoro, the program has produced 50 Anthurium and 32 Dendrobium orchid varieties for commercial cut flower and potted plant production. Among the notable releases include Arcs, the first commercial purple Anthurium, and Uniwi Mist, a white cut Dendrobium variety. 7 University of Hawaii Anthurium varieties have placed first, and 8 varieties have placed second at the Society of American Florists Cut Flower Competition. In addition to orchids and anthuriums, the facility also houses research programs on agricultural, biosecurity, traditional Hawaiian crops such as breadfruit and sugarcane, papaya breeding, as well as native ornamental plant research.
Aside from research, the Magoon Research Facility provides opportunities for students to get hands-on experience growing a number of crops ranging from native plants to vegetables and flowers. The student garden plots are where students learn how to produce vegetable and flower crops. They also learn how to control weeds and insects and improve soil health. The Pope Greenhouse is another facility that the students use for plant propagation and plant physiology classes. It houses automatic mist propagation benches and hydroponic systems for students to conduct different class experiments. Both Pope and Magoon Greenhouse facilities are equipped with Wi-Fi-enabled temperature sensors and weather monitoring instruments so that students can access real-time environmental data through their laptops or mobile phones and relate this to the growth and performance of the crops they grow.
Experience hands-on learning in the Tropical Agriculture and the Environment undergraduate major, where you have the flexibility to select your coursework for your interests.